Cricket is where we bowl off. The Windies missed a glorious opportunity to get 2 ODI wins in India for the first time in 16 years as they lost the 4th match of their 5-match series by 224 runs in Mumbai today. A strengthened batting lineup would have given India captain Virat Kohli motivation to take first strike once he won the toss in Mumbai. And the hosts got off on the right foot, with openers Shikhar Dhawan and Rohit Sharma putting on 71 for the first wicket. Dhawan was the first to go, falling to Keemo Paul, who was brought in for the first time this series. And when Kohli fell for just 16 off the bowling of Kemar Roach, the Windies must have thought they had the impetus they needed to dismiss the Indians for a gettable total, seeing that the Indian captain had made 3 centuries in a row coming into the contest. But they'd soon find out just how wrong they were, as Sharma got stuck in and started lacing the ball to all parts. He found a worthy ally in Ambati Rayudu, and together they put on 211 for the 3rd wicket as captain Jason Holder and his team struggled to find answers. Sharma pushed on to a top score of 162 before eventually surrendering to Ashley Nurse, and Rayudu notched an even century before being run out by Fabian Allen as India posted a mammoth 377 for 5, the highest total of the series thus far. The Windies again failed to lay a solid partnership at the start, and Shandapal Hemraj played a shot too many before getting out caught off Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. A couple ill-advised attempts at quick singles followed, first by Shai Hope, who wasn't quick enough to beat the arm of Kuldeep Yadav, and then by Kieron Powell, who learned the hard way not to always trust a call by Marlon Samuels. From there, a flurry of wickets fell, as Shimron Hetmyer, Rovman Powell and Samuels went in quick succession. And no other Windies batsman decided to stick around, apart from captain Holder, who boosted his average with an unbeaten 54 as the Windies crumbled to 154 all out.
Obviously, we started this series and the cricket we've played so far in this series today doesn't really do justice for it. Obviously, probably too many runs. I felt it was a really good wicket. Hopefully it was lightning, and as a wicket that once you get in, you can go big. And just unfortunately, none of our batters just really got in and gave themselves a chance, to bat deep into the innings.
Khalil Ahmed with 3 for 13 was the chief destroyer for the Indians, while Kuldeep Yadav also picked up 3 wickets for 42 runs. The Windies do, however, have one more opportunity to share series honours, the 5th and final ODI in Tiruvananthapuram on Thursday.